How honey is made? Honey is made from flower nectar that bees collect, which they break down into simple sugars inside the honeycomb. The design of the honeycomb and the constant fanning of the bees' wings create evaporation, which creates liquid honey. Its flavor and color vary depending on the flower it is collected from. Not only it is a delicious addition to many meals, but it also has lots of health benefits. So now let's just see which are those health benefits. First, honey has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and antibacterial properties. Recent studies have shown that honey has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and antibacterial properties that make it a powerful natural remedy. It is a natural sweetener with many benefits. It has been used for centuries to help boost the immune system and maintain balance in the gut. Manuka honey in particular is known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties. Number 2. It aids in weight loss. Honey can help reduce hunger cravings and promote satiety, which can lead to weight loss. It also contains enzymes that help break down carbohydrates, which helps the body burn fat more efficiently. If you are looking forward to losing some weight, then start consuming honey on a daily basis. Number 3. It improves skin health. Its antibacterial property help reduces redness and irritation. Furthermore, it protects the skin from environmental damage. Number 4. It provides relief from various ailments. Honey has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties that make it an excellent remedy for various ailments. Number 5. It is a natural remedy for allergies and coughs. It can be used to treat coughs and sore throats due to its antibacterial properties. Number 6. Honey balances gut health. The natural sugars contained in it help to break down food, made it easier for the body to absorb the nutrients and minerals from the food. Number 7. Cognitive development. The cognitive benefits of honey include improving memory and learning, slowing cognitive decline associated with aging, and reducing anxiety. Number 8. Detoxification. That means cleansing the body. If you want to bring some more flexibility to the system, you want to focus on detoxification. Detoxification is the process of removing toxins from the body. A lot of toxicity should go from the body. If you add a little bit of turmeric in honey water, it's a wonderful way of cleansing the system and it will dilate the system. Now let's see what is the best way to consume honey. Honey should never be cooked. It should always be consumed raw. Put it in a bowl and keep it in warm water. If you put it in cold water, it behaves in a different way and accordingly add weights to the body. It will have a different impact if it is consumed in cold water or extremely hot water. The raw honey is considered to be the best as it contains all the essential nutrients and enzymes that make it so beneficial for your health. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.